domain name generator. Come up with the very best names. Here comes another development in the field of domain with the introduction of the domain name generator. If you are familiar with the domain name generator, it is a basic view that a domain generator is a program that can generate selected domain names, usually from the supply keyword, and by using particular style or domain name category. Given that the domain generator's main function is to generate the preferred domain names, the domain name experts have considered that it is certainly a very tough task to generate domain names with the lack of a special software tool that might make the functioning of a domain name generator easier and fast. Some of the professionals even thought about such a lack of a software application as a genuine problem. What truly is the main reason that they developed such a software application tool for the domain name generator? For a lot of reasons, the domain name experts designed such a software tool for the domain generator with the main purpose of offering a much versatile and a personal service for the domain holder, in which much of the web-based services merely cannot use. As such, they name their software, the domain name generator, as Available Domains Pro, in brackets. Mentioning this software tool for the domain generator, it is thought about that this software application is a featured package, practically and fast domain checker that locates appealing domain names for individuals or service websites, and after that handles them. And in terms of the domain generator, with this software, the domain generator can work well and give the anticipation outputs to the domain customer. For the domain name generator's function, it is considered that for domain name generators to produce domain names, the effort of the domain name consumers is highly needed. And in terms of those quickly to expire domains, it is considered that the lookup link appealing ought to be clicked for soon to expire domain names, and as domain name consumers, they have the right to snap those domains if they are truly great. And one last strength of the domain name generator with the software is that it can anticipate domain deletion date, so the consumer can track domain names that delete soon. For the domain name generator function, it is thought about that for the domain name generator to generate domain names, the effort of the domain name customer is highly required, as I've said. And in terms of those soon to end domains, it is thought about that the lookup link appeal need to be clicked for a quickly to expire domain names, and as domain name consumers, they have the right to snap those domain names if they are really terrific. And one last strength of the domain name generator is the software is that it can forecast domain deletion dates, so the consumer can track domain names that delete quickly. I've said it all twice so it gets into your head. My name's Ian Jackson. I haven't said that before, but I use YouTube to put up videos for people's help to make money on the internet, and how to utilize the internet to make money, and how to find domains, etc, etc, etc. So underneath my video there are lots of links. Most of them are for programs that I actually use myself and have joined. I don't own any of them. I'm affiliated to all of them. Also, the tools underneath that I use for the internet work are down in the links below. The first link, as you go underneath my video, is for my YouTube channel. I've got over 280 videos up on there, and the name is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. If you put that into the browser, you won't see my video straight away. Scroll down the page away and they'll start coming up. So that's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now underneath also there is a like button. It's just got a thumb up like that. If you click on that, that helps me with YouTube. And also up the top there's a bell. Next to the bell, if you press the bell, there's all. Click on that. You'll get informed when I put another video up. Other than that, may I say, whatever you do, whatever you're looking for, please do your research. Go to Google, put the name in of what you're looking for. They'll come up with hundreds of pages, and read through them, find out what you're getting into. Don't get scammed on anything. There's so many scams on the internet now. Please do your searches. Myself, I use YouTube because they come up with a video perhaps of somebody unboxing something or somebody showing you how to repair something. You can see it being done in front of your eyes. So I use YouTube. So that's Google and YouTube to do your searches properly. I wish you all the best in your internet venture. So it's Available Domains Pro. So the name of the tool is Available space Domains space Pro. That's a capital in front of the available, capital in front of the domains, and capital in front of the Pro. So Available Domains Pro. That's the name of the tool that will give you these domains. So now I wish you all the very best once more. Thank you for looking at this video. Please click the like button below and the bell if you want more, and also subscribe. It all helps me with YouTube. I'm trying to make money the same as anybody else. YouTube requires so much for me to get any adverts on there that I've worked now for 8 months and I've only just started getting adverts, and that's through people clicking on my links. So please click the like button, the subscribe button, and also bell if you want more. So thank you very much for being here. Once more, success with the internet. Cheerio for now. I say for now because I hope you come back. Bye bye.